We established the Cumbria Clock Company 30 years ago. We moved up from Camden in London and just wanted to specialise in church and public clocks conservation and restoration. Now we employ 18 people all told. We work all over the UK. We look after over 1,000 mechanical clocks throughout the UK. We work worldwide now. We've been down to Fiji. We're working in Hong Kong. What we try to do is combine the old mechanical world with modern technology. So bringing conservation and everyday horology into the 21st century. If you can imagine, when you look after 1,000 mechanical clocks throughout the UK, you've got to get engineers there efficiently as possible. When you send an engineer to, say, Kent, and you're taking out a turret clock dating from the 1700s, and that engineer's on site and he's taking something apart which most of it hasn't been dismantled for decades, and he's making notes on a piece of paper. He gets that clock, he puts it into our travel boxes, and it gets brought up to the workshops here, and then the conservator would look at those very basic notes and then look at the clock and then do the work. The problem with the old paper-based system is that by the very nature of it there will be a communication breakdown because you can't get all the information you want onto that piece of paper. With the digital system you can take a lot more photographs, and that is attached and can be noted for what's required. The plan is to have an iPad where they can come along, take a photograph of the clock, of the environment that the clock is, and transfer all that information to this one management system. I came across Made Smarter through a friend who saw it on the web and literally sent me an email saying, "Keith, this is what you've been talking about. You really need to talk to these people." I just dropped them an email and they got in contact straight away. I found them incredibly helpful. Also, the form filling was a lot easier than a lot of the grants we've thought about applying for before. Made Smarter have helped me by match funding, which has made a project system a lot more affordable to a company of our size. There are several differences this new management system will make to the Cumbria Clock Company. One of them, it will make us more efficient, which has the benefits that makes us more profitable, but environmentally, which is something very important to Lynn and myself, making our company have less of a carbon footprint when we're travelling up and down the country is very important to us. It will also be able to give more information back to the customer, because with this new management system we'll be able to produce very comprehensive conservation reports, which means that they can go back and hold into the records of whatever building that is, and therefore in the future people will be able to understand exactly what conservation work we did to that clock, be it 10, 15, 50 years ago. The new management system will give us the ability to grow as a company, but it will give us more scope to employ more staff. I would say to any company out there who are requiring a digital solution to their business to get in contact with Made Smarter, they're a very easy company to work with and a lot of fun.